Unpack the package of the whole machine. Take out the whole machine and accessories thereof. Check the accessories specification. Certificate of conformity included in the warranty card. Battery wiring terminal. Fixing screw 1 thereof. Safety cap, insulating glove, expansion screw, combined screw and nut, electric drill, screwdriver. Check whether the whole machine is in good condition before assembling. Mark the locations of the installation hole on the wall with a marker pen. Drill the bottom hole of the expansion screw with the electric drill. Pull the expansion screws into the bottom hole and drive them into the self-tapping screw hole. An 8mm gap is left before tightening. Hang the whole machine on the fixed wall and lock the screw. Wiring. Use the screwdriver to remove the 2 screws of the lower cover and remove the lower cover. The left AC-in input line passes through the black guard ring and is connected to the yellow-green ground wire with a screwdriver. The live wire is red L and the null line is black M. The second output line, marked with AC out on the left, passes through the black guard ring, and it is connected to the red live wire L and the black null wire M with a screwdriver. If the AC out needs to be grounded, the output ground wire can be connected to the screw position for grounding right under the whole unit. The right side passes through the black guard ring respectively, and then connected with the positive and negative wires of PV with a screwdriver respectively. Intermediate battery wires are well connected with the terminals equipped with the product. They are connected to the middle position of the machine through the middle black guard ring. The positive pole of the red wire is connected to the left BAT+. The black negative pole is connected to the right BAT-, and the screw is locked. The removed upper cover is installed to the previous position again.